I always recommend for people to have a great email signature, but specifically to include a YouTube video or video in their signature. And lately, few people have come to me and said, I don't know how to do that. Like, I'm using the same tool, the WizeStamp tool, and I don't know how to do that. So in this video, I'm going to show you precisely how to add a video to your WizeStamp signature. And we're starting right now. Hey everybody, this is Antoine Dupont and welcome to another video. If you are new here and you're looking for tips and tactics to help you grow your business, then please make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. So let's just go right into it. Here, as you can see, my signature. This is when I send an email to someone. It includes a picture. It includes my contact info. It has a disclaimer, which is completely goofy. And the reason why I added a goofy disclaimer is because I wanted to prove a point that nobody reads it. Because in the last 2 years, I've had that goofy disclaimer. Not a single person has mentioned anything about it, so nobody reads it. So that's for starters. But specifically, what we're going to talk to today is how to include a video in your signature, and specifically with the tool that I'm using, which is called WizeStamp. So I'm going to show you that. So let's just go right into it. So this is the WizeStamp website. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not getting paid to recommend this, but this is what I use. I like it because it's super easy to work with. It works directly and is embedded inside of Gmail or Google Mail, whatever you use. I don't know what it works, if it works with a Mac or whether any other platform, but if you're using Gmail or a Google product, it's going to work like a charm. In terms of pricing, it's really cheap, and there's a Cyber Monday going on right now. You can get it for $36 a year, which is dirt cheap, and regularly is $72. So even $72 a year is dirt cheap for what it offers. So here is the email signature generator. This is how it looks like. On the left side, you have your signature where you can put your name, your title, your phone number, mobile, like all that information. You can add Skype by default. You can add a logo or a picture. So if you don't put a picture of yourself, you want to put a logo of your company, you can do that right there. You can even have it as an animated GIF, which is really cool. As you can see it on the right side here. For example, I believe it does it in real time. So if I put comma PhD, it's going to add it automatically. Yeah, there you go. So it goes right. It adds it in real time. So this is super easy for you to do, to have an amazing signature. You can see what it is on the side. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. I cannot tell you the number of people that I have to interact with on a monthly basis that have just not enough information in the signature. I mean, I don't know the reflex that you have, but if I'm, for example, I just want to remember I met Bob like a month ago. And then we talked, and then we talked about getting in touch with each other. And then my instinct is, if I want to contact Bob, I'm going to go in my email. I'm going to search for Bob's first name, last name, and then I'm going to pull up his email, and then I'm going to look in the contact information. And I would say that half the time, the information in the signature is insufficient. It doesn't have their phone number. Sometimes it doesn't have an address. I mean, just, add all this stuff, all stuff that actually would be relevant for you. So this is why I love WizeStamp, because it allows me to have a great signature. But here is what we're going to be, what I want to show you today is how to add this video, because I recommend for people to add a video in their signature. So once you're done with the details, then you go in the tab that's called Social. Here in the social, you can actually, as you can see, you can add the Instagram, which is the little icon there, the Twitter, and the Meetup, which is or things that are actually congruent to what I'm up to. So this is links that are available, and then you have the add-ons there. This is where I've embedded the video, and here in the choose the add-on, what you're going to do is you're just going to add a video, which is what I've selected right there. And if I'm going to show it to you, like, you know, how it looks like, if I click on edit, it's basically the link from YouTube. That's just as simple as that. It's just, I go on YouTube, I copy the link, I put it there, and then I can put a title, which is what you're seeing right here, Facebook marketing strategy. So I can have that title say anything. You can have it compact, or you can have it expanded, which means it will include the description of the video. And there you have it. So, you know, it's just really as simple as that. This is where I also added the disclaimer that you can see right here on the right. And then here I added different social buttons. So I wanted to separate these three, which is Instagram, Twitter, and Meetup, from my YouTube channel, my Facebook, and LinkedIn. I wanted these to have a little bit more of a prominent and a bigger space in my signature. So that's it. I hope this is going to motivate you to just simply get a great email signature for your business. You can do that with WizeStamp for dirt cheap, and if you do it today, which is December 3rd, Cyber Monday, or actually it's Cyber Tuesday today, you'll pay $36, and if you don't, then it will be $72, which is still very cheap. And then you got to have a great signature, but more importantly, you can include a small video, which could be a video bio or your latest video, whatever you have that describes your business, and that will bring you a whole bunch of traffic throughout the year. Because think about it, like the number of emails that you're sending out, it's an opportunity for you to connect and put something in front of people that they may not have seen otherwise. Before you go, and if you got value out of that video, please subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. And until next time, ciao.